Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing my body care routine for winter. And you people know that in winter our skin becomes extremely dry and needs moisture, and moisture can penetrate in our skin only when our dead cells are out of it, and uh, our skin can actually absorb the moisture and resulting in smoothness, nourishment, suppleness and all those things. So if you want to know what exactly I like to prefer in order to give my skin the moisture it needs, then keep on watching. So the very first thing which I like to use in my shower routine is shower gel. If you people want, then you can go ahead and try soap. But the reason why I use shower gel is that I like to use Loofah in my shower routine every day because it exfoliates my skin in a very gentle manner, which is appropriate for every day, and it will remove those dead cells. And for every day, it is very mild, so that is the reason. And the one I'm using currently is from the brand Studio West, which is a range from Westside. So Studio West is a range which is offered by Westside, which includes skincare, body care as well as makeup. So that is the thing. And the one I'm using is Delicate Jasmine, which I absolutely love. So this is the thing which I like to use every day, and I like to use in a circular motion, and which helps me in order to remove those dead cells for every day, which is good enough so that whenever I use my moisturizer, it should penetrate inside my skin. Now the second thing which I like to use once in a week is a body scrub. It's again from the same range, and this is not a sponsored video, everything is brought by my own money. I like to buy all the products in the same fragrance range so that the fragrance should last on my body for more and more hours. That is the only reason. And these were anyway these were very reasonable. These were like only for 700, including all the products which I'll be showing you. That means it is getting in spa at very reasonable price, which will last for you like for many months, trust me. And the second thing which I like to use is a body scrub. This is again Delicate Jasmine. I like to put it onto my body after shower. Only once in a week I like to do this, and this is mostly on Sundays when I don't have office and I like to relax myself, and that is the time when I like to do this. So this is a body scrub. I like to put it onto my body and massage it into a circular motion. And then what I do is the product which is like a gemstone, I should say, and this is a pubic stone, and I like to exfoliate my body with this, like after putting scrub and massaging after a while. What I like to do is that I wet my pubic stone and I start using it onto my body in a circular motion. What this helps is that it really helps in order to remove those stubborn dead cells, and more than that, it even helps me in terms of ingrowth. If you female suffer from ingrowth, trust me, this is an amazing product, and it is easily available at any chemist shop. And the one I bought is for 100. It is for 90 to 100 rupees only. So this is a great product, and it will really help you in order to remove those dead cells as well as in growth. And if you cannot afford these two products, just use a soap, and after soap you can use a pubic stone. Just wet it up and just start scrubbing your body. And there are so many easy DIY scrubs also available on YouTube for your body, so you can go ahead and just browse and use any scrub. But however, this one is only for 299 rupees, and I've used it quite a bit, and you guys can say this is almost still full. That means it will last for months and months. So go ahead and try this. It will really help you in order to remove those dead cells as well as ingrowth, and that is the reason I love this product. When your dead cells are gone, so the moisture you'll put onto your skin will easily penetrate inside your skin and resulting in moisturized skin and giving that suppleness into your skin. The moisture, if you like to use a body lotion, they have a body lotion, but I like body butters because I want something which I should put it up in the morning, and it's good to go for 8 to 9 hours, and when I'm taking shower in the night, again I can put it up, and in the morning again my skin is very supple, and that is the reason I like body butters more compared to body lotion. And the one again is from Delicate Jasmine, the same range. The fragrance is amazing, and now I have almost completed it. As you guys can see, I love this product. I like to put it onto my body and massage it. It is a body butter, so it will take a bit of time in order to get penetrated inside your skin, or in order to, like, you have to massage a bit so that it should get absorbed into your skin. But this is a great product. Trust me guys, it will make your skin so smooth, so suppleness, like you will love it. So you need to try this product. And this one is again for 300 rupees. It will last you for a month, so every day I'm using it, and I can say that go ahead and buy this product. And this is an amazing product, trust me. And if you are a body lotion person, please go ahead, and if they have even a body lotion you can, but I am into body butters. So that's it for my body care routine. If you want, you can use a face pack sometimes onto your body. If you want something like in order to give that boost to your skin, you can surely go ahead and do this. But this is what I like to do mostly when it comes to my skincare routine. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that I never shave my arms or my underarm or my legs. I'm much more into waxing. I prefer waxing. I don't know why, it could be because that's my personal preference, and I can see the difference. I have done shaving when I was in school, so I can see the difference when I'm shaving and when I'm waxing. And if you can bear the pain, I would really suggest you to go for waxing, not for shaving. That's my personal preference, and it really helps. Even it will remove those dead cells, and the hair, it will come, trust me, it will be very smooth compared to shave. Trust me on that. And I will always suggest you to go for waxing. In India, it is not that expensive. You can just find a random salon. Even you can try yourself. If your mom or your friend can help you with that, go ahead and do that. Trust me, you will see the difference. Trust me. And that's it for the video. If the video was helpful, please share with your friends and family, because I want to I've completed 4,000 subscribers. I want to reach 5k soon, so please help me on that. It will mean a lot to me. At the last, I'll say take care and stay pretty.